Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping right into a full guide on how to use UPBASE for architectural project management. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your workspace. This step is crucial because it forms the foundation for your project's organization. Navigate to the Workspace tab and create a new workspace. Name it according to the project you're managing. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating teams within your workspace. This helps us because it allows us to delegate tasks and collaborate efficiently with different team members. Head over to the Teams section, click on New Team, and invite your project members using their email addresses. The reason we do this is to create a clear structure for our project, ensuring that everyone knows their responsibilities and can work together seamlessly. Having set up our teams, next up is task creation. This is a pivotal step as it allows for detailed project management. Click on the Tasks tab, then New Task. Fill in the task details, set due dates, and assign team members. Remember, the more specific you are with your task details, the easier it will be for your team to understand their responsibilities. Once you've created your tasks, it's time to monitor the project's progress. Navigate to the dashboard. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The dashboard gives a visual representation of your project's progress, which helps you identify bottlenecks and adjust accordingly. This brings us to our final step, communication. On UPBASE, you can communicate with your team directly through the platform. Use the chat feature for quick messages and the discussion tab for more detailed conversations. This step is key in maintaining project momentum and ensuring everyone is on the same page. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use UPBASE for architectural project management. It's a straightforward process. Set up your workspace, create your teams, assign tasks, monitor progress, and communicate effectively. With these steps, you'll be able to manage your architectural projects efficiently and effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.